Hi guys, let me show you how to make the softest and smoothest pounded yam using just your blender. You guys, this is a must try. First, you would need to cut up your yam and then you're going to proceed to peel them and then cut them into cube sizes, just small enough to enable your blender blend them through. Once you're done cutting your yams, you're going to proceed to adding them into a plate and then wash them clean. Then you're going to add them into your blender, and I'm using this blender from Mnest Homeware. You guys, this blender is a machine, okay? Add some water to your yam and then blend till it is smooth. You're going to proceed to add this mixture into your pot, and over low heat, you're going to cook this while constantly stirring. As you can see, it is beginning to turn and come together as pounded yam. Now you're going to add just a little bit of water, cover that to cook for 2 minutes, uncover and just stir again, and your pounded yam is ready to be devoured.